This is our new olive harvesting machine from the Ark. We got this in a quite, well, nasty condition, without engine and very rusty, and well, a machine that had its life actually. So we got it for free, and I started renewing it, taking apart all the metal parts here from the front and the side, and did some nice servicing in all the bearings here, down here, and up there. It's a really very solid machine, very strongly built, something which you actually don't get on the market anymore. And yeah, after derusting and painting twice, after doing the service in all the bearings, as I said, after changing all these silicone rods, after changing the net which is collecting the leaves, and finally after now also putting two nice feet down here, which is a common problem even with the brand new ones, because they stand on the net, and if they don't have like a big nice rounded feet, then they may damage the net. So that was the last thing I did just today. And we bought also a brand new 7 horsepower 212 cc gasoline engine, which is doing a really nice job. So with this machine, harvesting will be much more quicker than before, when we did everything by hand with combs. Here you can see the detail. This middle part, the yellow one, is being connected with this rod, and it shakes it so that the olives will fall out. Yeah, so with this machine I think we will be more like 10 times faster with the olive collecting, because we also prune when we collect, so lots of branches fall down, and instead of combing them with a little comb, here you just place them between these rods here, between the cylinders, and yeah, that's just a matter of seconds when a branch is clean. Korogonas Ark new acquired machine. Something like this, not as sturdy though as this old one, is in the range of 850 to over 1,000 euros. We paid for the engine and some parts less than 200 euros plus 3 days of labor. So now we really have like a super professional and super strong olive harvesting machine in the Korogonas Ark community. Starting actually today.